Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Finn from Adventure Time. So let's get started. To draw this cute human, let's first start by drawing a big oval for the face. So I'm going to start right here and just draw a curve. So it's kind of like my usual mochi shape, but I guess it's a little bit flattened out. So I'm just going to bring this curve down, nice wide curve. Bring it around. And then down. And then just connect at the bottom, a little bit flatter, and then connect there. So now that we have this opening, let's go ahead and come into the center area, and about right here, the eyes are kind of wide apart. I'm just going to draw a black dot, not too big, and come across on the other side about right here and do the same thing. And then in between, I'm going to go ahead and draw a big smile about right here. Nice big curve going all the way, and cap it off there, and that is it for his face. And then from there, let's go ahead and draw his hoodie. So I'm going to come out right here just a little bit, not too much, on both sides. Give myself 2 points, and from there I'm just going to go ahead at the height of the face. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a straight line down. And same thing here. There. So now that we surrounded the face with the 2 straight lines, let's bring this up and we're going to draw the ears. So let's go up right here and about right here. I'm going to curve in to about there. And then in this area, I'm going to pass it and just draw a curve for the top of the head. So I'm just going over, kind of following the head to about right there on the other side. And then once again, same thing, just like the other side. Let's pop this up for the other ear. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and let's see here. Let's just bring it down a tiny bit more on both sides, and then we're just going to connect it with a curve right underneath, just like the top, all the way back. So this is the head. Now we need to draw the body. So we're going to come down again, just bring this straight down. And let's just keep going. So make sure I'm as straight as possible. I'm looking at my camera. To say about right there, I'll stop. Now I'm about the same level, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. That's his shirt, and then we need to draw his pants, so we're still going down. So it's actually just one big rectangle, right? But we need to still break it up into pieces. Okay, so then about right there, just come down a little bit, maybe about right here, and I'm just going to come all the way here and just draw a curve right underneath. And then we're going to start his legs. I'm going to bring this up a little bit more, and we're going to come about right here, come down, and just connect for his shorts. So same thing here, we just want it at the same level. And connect. And then we need to go down for his legs, so straight down. To say about right there, I'll stop and bring this down. And about right here, I'm going to connect it with a curve. And from that curve, we're going to draw a curve around it. And then his shoe just comes straight down again. And then about right here, we're just going to pop out this long curve to connect. There. So same exact thing on the other side. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw his arms. But before we do that, let's come back right here. And in this area right here, we're going to draw his backpack strap. So I'm going to draw a slight curve, bring it straight down, and then about right here, just curve it in. And then just make a line right here to separate the different colors. And same thing on the other side. And then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the arms. So we're just going to stick them out right here. Just going to draw a long curve coming all the way down to where his shorts are. So maybe come to about right here. And same thing over here. We're just going to thicken it up. And before we do that, let's go ahead right here with a thumb and connect. Another line right here. And then a sleeve about right here. And then on this side, his hand's going to wiggle out. So I'm going to change it up a little bit about right here. Just kind of curve it up to about right here. And then we're just going to draw a thumb and then bring down the fingers and curve right back up. And then in this area, just draw two curves and then maybe another one right here for his palm. And then we're going to thicken it up just like the other side. So our goal is just to try to make it about the same thickness as the other one. There, and then once again, the sleeves about right here. There, and hopefully I have everything correct to draw Finn here from Adventure Time. But last thing I want to do is I'm just going to add a heart right here in the center to make this my Draw So Cute Finn the Human from Adventure Time. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.